Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Edifier Stax Spirit S5 Bluetooth headphones. This is a premium headphone by Edifier. I will go over specs, features, provide music samples, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description box below for the product. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the headphones, the user manual, a storage case, a pair of cooling mesh ear pads, USB-C charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, an ear pad pick, and a 3.5mm to 6.35mm adapter. Going over some specs, this has 80 hours of battery life, features Bluetooth 5.4, Snapdragon sound, high-res audio, high-res wireless, aptX, LDAC, LHDC, dual microphone noise reduction, low latency game mode, app integration and EQ settings. It comes with genuine lambskin ear pads and also cooling mesh ear pads, and it features the planar magnetic drivers for better sound reproduction. Taking a look at the headphones, you'll immediately notice that they're very light. The ear cups can swivel out and they also fold in for easier storage. You have the ear cup indicators on the lower part of the band. The lambskin ear cups are soft, and as mentioned, you can switch them out with the cooling mesh ear pads depending on your preference. There's also soft padding on the top of the band. There's a good amount of travel, as you can see here. You have the branding on the top of the band and on each side. The band is flexible, so this should have no issues accommodating various head sizes. Looking at the outer face of the left side, you have the branding, and you have the aux port on the bottom. On the right side, you have the branding as well on the outer face, and on the bottom you'll find the volume controls, multi-function button, Bluetooth pairing button, the charge port, and LED indicator. And as mentioned, this has the app integration. You can toggle various settings such as a low latency game mode, EQ presets, or customize your own. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life.
Yeah, trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah, oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah, trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey, oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible.
Here are my thoughts on the headphones. They were very comfortable and the ear pads were soft. They fit nicely around my ears. There's good clamping force and it's not too tight, and I like that they included the cooling mesh ear pads so it gives you options. Build and quality is good. It's lightweight and it does have a plastic feel to it. I like the accenting on the side with the branding. Battery life is excellent at 80 hours and the app integration is a plus. Now when it comes to sound, these don't have active noise cancellation. The focus is more on the actual audio, and in my opinion, it doesn't disappoint. Starting off with the bass, there's ample amount, It's not the heavy hitting type, but it's just enough. Where this really shines is the mids and highs. Vocals and instruments are clean and clear, and there's good separation with a wide soundstage. This is where the planar magnetic drivers are really good for. You can really get immersed when it comes to the vocals. It was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, this is an excellent wireless headphone. It is a premium price point, but the sounds don't disappoint. So that is my review of the Edifier Stax Spirit S5. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.